sis Queerette. Alright, she's the bubbliest, the loveliest, and the cutest. From Kitsuna, and she's from Japan, our very own Lala-chan. Alright, let's give an applause for Lala-chan. Okay. Lala-chan, are you happy to see the kids? Oh, she's very happy. So you know what, kids? Lala-chan has prepared a dance, okay? Who knows how to dance? Who knows how to dance? Okay, everybody knows how to dance, Lala. Okay, Lala-chan will share the steps and you will follow Lala-chan, okay? Alright? Okay ba yan, kids? Magdadance kita? Opo, alright. So, Lala-chan, what's the first step of our warm-up dance? Swing to the right and swing to the left. Come on, you follow Lala-chan again. Swing to the right and swing to the left. Very good. What's the second step? Wiggle to the right and wiggle to the left. Again. Wiggle to the right and wiggle to the left. Okay, the third step, Lala. Roll to the right, and left. Very good, diba? Very easy lang. So now, are you ready to dance? Okay, Lala, ready na sila. So, Adeline, music please. We will dance, ha? Everybody dance and don't be shy. Okay, march. March, march, march. Swing. Wiggle and wiggle, swing. Wiggle and wiggle. Now turn around. Good job. Energy. Strong. Roll right, left, and left. Come on, you follow Lala-chan. Go, swing. Wiggle and wiggle. Swing again. Wiggle and wiggle. Alright, good job, kids. Thank you for dancing with us. Okay, now you can sit down. Alright, Lala-chan, we're ready na. So for today, we will be doing meet and greet. Again, of course, ipapakilala namin otro Lala-chan. Hi-iyo, okay? Ang Lala-chan na ipapakilala. So, Lala-chan is from Japan. And, Alihiya always ato. Kaya taga-Alihiya, ha? Kitsuna, alright? She's a 5 years old. Diba? Very cute, bubbliest, and loveliest, alright? So gusto ko mag-hi